In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate a very simple technique for cutting basil. So instead of chopping the basil and bruising it, I'm actually going to chiffonade the basil. And by chiffonade, I mean cutting it into thin strips of ribbons. So it's a more elegant and delicate way to present the basil, especially if you're using it for a garnish. Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Jadine. I'm a classically trained chef with over 15 years of professional experience. I've worked as a private chef for over 10 years, and I've also worked in some of the best restaurants, so I'm familiar with cooking and techniques. And thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.